Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do cutting and stitching of circular skirt. For that you will need fabric for your skirt, any fabric, and this is 1.5 meter. Lining, this is 1 meter, and this is can which is 1 meter. Instead of this can you can also use the hard net. And if you do not want to use anything like can or hard net, it is also okay. So now for cutting of circular skirt, first of all we will lay out our fabric. And for this circular skirt cutting, I am not using any drafting paper. I am directly marking it on the fabric, and if you want to do it with the drafting paper, the drafting of the circular skirt is in my channel. I will give the link in description box. And now for cutting, so this is the fabric. First of all, fold your fabric towards the lengthwise. Now after folding the fabric from lengthwise, that means my fabric remains half from the full fabric. This side is on fold and one side is off fold. Now I will fold the another side which is on widthwise. I have folded on lengthwise, and now I will fold on widthwise. There are 4 folds for the circular skirt. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now your fabric will remain 1/4 of the full fabric. This is the fabric which is after folding. So now after folding the fabric, I will mark the waist area. So here I will mark the waist area on fold on both the side. From this corner I will mark the waist area. For marking the waist area, the measurements are round waist divided by 4, that is 1/4 of your round waist minus 3 inches. And my measurement is, the round waist is 28 inches, 1/4 of round waist is 7 inches, and minus 3 is 4 inches. And now I will mark the point. From this point, hold your measuring tape like this and mark the point like here, 4 inches. So now it is the measurement, that is 1/4 of your round waist minus 3 inches. And now I will mark the seam allowances over here. From this point, mark your seam allowances, that is 1/2 inches. So this is the measurement of my waist area which is on the corner of my fabric. Now I will mark the length area. Now the length of my circular skirt is 16 inches. I will mark the length area which is 16 inches. From this point, first and second point, I will mark the length point plus 1/2 inches extra for seam allowance. 16 inches from this point to this point, this is 16 inches plus 1/2 inches extra for my seam allowance. Now this is the point of my length of my circular skirt from my first point, and from second point I will mark the length of my circular skirt. This is my second point from where I will mark the length. Hold your measuring tape over here and mark a point of 16 inches of your skirt plus half inches extra for your seam allowance. And now join these 2 points, this one point and second point, in a curve form. So now this is the point of my length and this is the point of my waist area. Cut down your fabric from these markings. So now after cutting, your fabric should look like this. And now I will do the cutting of my lining and can. With help of this fabric, I will mark on lining and can. With the same process, fold your lining in 4 parts. So this is the lining with 4 folds. Same folds should be done with the can. Now I will mark the points of cutting. Place your skirt over here. And now I will mark the waist area over here, and the length should be 2 inches less than your skirt because your lining should be small. This is the point of my length. Mark 2 inches less. So your length should be this of your lining. Mark 2 inches less. And now make a curve over here, joining these both points. So this is the marking of my lining. Now I will cut the lining. So this is the lining of my skirt. Now I will cut the can for my skirt. So this is the 4-fold of my can, and now I will cut by using the lining because the lining and the can should be same. Now I will cut my can from the points. So these are the cutting of my fabric, lining and can. for my circular skirt. Now I will show you that it will look like this. So this is the cutting of my circular skirt, in which I will use 3 fabrics to make the skirt. For stitching of circular skirt, must watch part 2. Hope you all understand. Like, share and subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you.